common financial problem ng mga mayayaman na sinasolve nyo, Coach Chikoy?
Yun, thank you, Kel Josh. No? Number one, siguro isa sa mga worries ng mga nakapag-build ng malaking estate is kung paano nila ipapass on yung legacy na yun sa next generation, so sa mga anak nila, sa mga apo nila. It's about legacy planning. So that is one thing that I really talk about with my clients on how do we now do distribution, asset distribution, so that kung ano man yung na-build nila, kung ano man yung naipundar nila, will live on to the next second generation, third generation, up until the time that they are able to stand on their own. So, naririnig natin yun no, sa maraming mga business tycoons. No? Yung second generation, third generation, hindi na same yung interest ng mga bata ngayon. Di ba? Yung mga dating mga businessman, yung mga apo nila para more of artists na, not so much into the business. No? So, we want to make sure that na-address natin yun by making sure that there's a proper legacy planning that I do with my clients.
Kumbaga, common problem ay yung pagpasa ng wealth na meron sila, na-establish nila doon sa mga next generation.
Yes.
Thank you so much.